Everyone, and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last week and how the price of gold can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of gold, as I've clearly explained you in my previous video, that after lockdown the price of gold is continuously moving upside. If you look at this particular trend, I've clearly explained you that a pattern is being created from 2012 to 2020 and then 2 years. This is from 2012 to 2020. This is a 2 years pattern. Okay, then 8 months and this smaller pattern we have seen. And as soon as the price started going above a level of $2098, we have seen there is change in the pattern. That the price after this particular range continuously moving upside, and how it was moving in this zone. You can see this particular level. See, okay, now what is important here to understand that after of 25 in April 25, what we have seen, it is trying to go narrow because few things that occur at this particular time. That tariff was there, tariff removed. Okay, some of the countries increased in tariff, decreased in tariff, some of got paused. Okay, and this is the uncertainty what we have seen, and the shift in the change in the investment towards this particular zone. Okay, so we have seen the investment in gold and silver increased. That is where we have seen the price was moving upside, as well as a trend was supporting this side. Okay, and the dollar index is moving down. This is what we have seen. Okay, now from 4 consecutive weeks we have seen the prices rising. Okay, if you create this particular trend which I have shown in my device video also, you can see that the price after 3400, which I have explained in my videos, that if it sustain this level, because this is breaking this particular trend of narrow pattern, it started going upside. Okay, and then a continuous upside zone we have seen, it is making a half around 37.14. This is an all-time high. Understand, the price of silver already touched all-time high of 37.14. So if the price sustain this particular level and goes towards a level of 36.70, again the price is below this level, so what best you can do, you can trail your SL by $10 to $15. If you're trailing your SL by $10 to $15, there is a higher chances that you can capture a big movement towards an upside if the price goes above this particular level. And yes, what we can see, there is a probability that if the price keep moving over 36.70, a further upside can be seen and it can go above this particular level also. Okay, but one thing that you have to understand from the pattern of gold, what we have seen in longer time, that whenever it is making a new high, okay, if you look at all these highs, what is the common thing that we have seen, that whenever it is making a new high, it comes down. Okay, this is the level, it came down after that, it came down after that, it came down after that. Similar pattern has been formed. So you have to understand, suppose if it started forming a red candle, there is a higher chances that we can see there can be a profit booking can come at these particular levels. Okay, so before I move ahead and explain you, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglove@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. I'm not making very big video, so you should watch it full so you can understand if the price didn't sustain that particular level or this particular level, what you have to do. Suppose if it started sustaining this particular level, it can go towards its previous week's high of around 36.79, and if the price going above this level, we can see that it can touch its all-time high of around 37.14. What you can do is you can trail your SL as soon as the price sustaining the trail your SL by $10 to $15, so you can capture a big movement towards upside. So if the price moving of that particular level, we can see it can touch a level of 37.14, and from there we can see a level of 37.20 to a level of 37.50. Suppose the price moving over this level, probability of touching 37.80 we can see, then to a level of 3800. By trailing this SL, you can capture a big movement towards an upside. But if it started falling below this level, it can come down again. If it started falling below this level, then you can see it can touch today's this particular week's low, that is 36.24. And once started falling below this level, then the next support is coming at a level of 36.02. This is a support too. Okay, and once started falling below this particular level, a further downfall can be seen towards 35.77, which is a support 3. And if the price falling below that particular level, a further downfall can be seen towards 3500. Okay, after 35.77 we can see a level of 3500. From there a bounce back can be seen, but if the price falling below that particular level, a further downfall can be seen towards $34.53. Okay, so again, if the price breaks today's week's high, this week's low, you can again trail your SL by $10 to $15 if the price started falling below this level. See, these are all the supports. From there a bounce back can be seen, but if that didn't sustain, we can see a further fall. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe.